Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI presentation tools, which is Plus AI and Beautiful AI. Just quickly get started by differentiate between the two. So let's get started. Plus AI is all about speed and integration. It works directly in Google Slide and PowerPoint, letting you turn text, PDFs, documents into polished slide deck in minutes. It's a great option for professionals who want AI assistance without leaving the familiar tools, with strong support for branding and content repurposing. Beautiful AI, on the other hand, focus more on design automation with smart template, brand kit, and collaboration features that makes everything desk looks sleek with minimal effort. The trade-off is that it's less flexible, so if you want a deep customization, you have to be more conscious about it. So in conclusion, Plus AI wins for workflow efficiency inside existing tools, while Beautiful AI shines for teams that prioritize automated design polish. And that's it. I find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.